Hey everybody, you've seen these lights. This is the hybrid color changing light from Ryobi, and they've been on sale. Well, a couple things. I was never able to find them where I live, and I live in New England, so I kept looking, but what I did notice is that they were always on the display. So tonight when I was actually at the store, I picked up the display model, I took it to customer service, and I said, listen, these are no longer manufactured, they're no longer sold in stores. I'd really like to buy the display because you're not going to get stock back in these. Now I don't think they actually manage this department. This is over in the lighting, but it's kind of a tool in the lighting section. So whenever the scan, it actually came up as a penny. And what I found out is that if there is stock or something that's supposed to be removed from the shelf and it's out of their system, it defaults at a certain date when they're supposed to, like a deadline of when they're supposed to remove it from the shelf, and it actually goes to a penny. Now, one thing about that is that they can't really sell it for a penny. It's just a trigger to say that you're supposed to remove this. So what they did is, well, they actually just gave it to me because they couldn't sell it to me, and it really wasn't worth anything, and they're never going to get anything back, and it has no box or anything with it. So I started doing a little bit more research, and I found out that if you go around scanning things randomly around a store, if you find something for a penny, that means that it's past its date when they're supposed to remove it, and you may be able to get it either A, for a penny, for a steep discount, or you may even be able to get it for free. So I'm not sure if it would be well worth someone's time just going around scanning everything in a store. However, this is something I've had my eye on for a very long time, and I was able to actually get it for free. So maybe that's something you could do too. So I hope this helped somebody. If it did, hit that like button. I hope you subscribe as well, and happy hunting.